What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about this new setup that I have for my camera. Let's take a look. So the whole point of this setup is to be able to shoot in a horizontal or landscape mode version of a video like you would normally shoot for YouTube, or be able to shoot in a 9x16 or like a portrait style mode, vertical mode. I've been trying to come up with this idea and I was searching online for different accessories to make the camera be able to do just that and be able to do it quickly. This is what I've come up with. So recently I just got this small rig cage that goes around the Canon EOS R, and it's actually perfect for the size of the camera. It's custom to the camera size, so that works perfectly because I'm still able to flip out the flip out screen and be able to kind of check my focus, make sure that I'm in frame and things like that. There's nothing in the way of the flip screen being able to open up. I wanted to make my setup be able to go from landscape mode that you're watching right now to a vertical mode very quickly. So this is what it looks like. I have a base plate on the bottom that is sitting on the tripod that can shoot in the horizontal format, and that is the 16:9 for YouTube or any other normal video that you would watch. I have a base plate also connected on the side of the cage, so I can just pop out the base plate, flip it over to the other base plate, slide that in, lock it down real quick, and be able to shoot some YouTube shorts, reels, TikToks, and things like that with another base plate already connected. Now I could take the base plate off the bottom and put it on the side. I would have the same deal, but I want it to make it quicker, so why not have two base plates? It looks a little strange, but the weirdness of it just works. Then I have my microphone up on top, and I don't have it positioned in the hot shoe, cold shoe mount on the camera anymore. There's the ability to do a cold shoe mount attachment to the cage. So now I move that, and that frees up space for if I do want to use the hot shoe or cold shoe on the camera if need be for any reason. And one more thing that I kind of passed over but still yet to mention is the quick release plate on the tripod. So that's also coming in handy because I can just literally pop out the base plate on the camera, switch it around 9x16, right back in, and tighten it, and it's good to go. I was just using the original take forever, screw in, wait 35 minutes to finally have the camera lock into place option. But now I have a quick release plate on there, so I can film these videos a whole lot quicker in a very short amount of time. That was also something that I wanted because I want to be able to produce these videos fast. That's a little rundown, and I will let you guys know in the near future on how it's also going. I'll update you guys if anything changes on it, but for now, this is perfect. So a little short video for today. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions about the setup, or have any questions about the gear, or if you were looking into something like this for your camera rig, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to chat about it. That's gonna end it for today's video. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.